So good day guys, welcome back, welcome. If you are new to my channel, please before you go, do not forget to subscribe. I need to just click on the subscribe button, to like, to share and to comment. Let's do a quick one analysis on our pound for this week. Let's see where our pound will be moving for this week. Now if you watch my video on the 13th previously, the video that I did previously on my pound, you can see that this is exactly what I marked, what my line marked this is. As you can see, I'm still on a move that this week will actually be seeing a fall price hit this our area here, and we will see a breakout straight downward on our pound index. So above all, we probably can see, if you can see market on the long run, you can see that we're actually on a fall. When we now actually get to this our area here, you can see we're actually falling on our pound index. All this one is just four push up, four push up, right? You can see, let me mark it for you. We actually we've gotten this four, right? We've gotten this push up, a retracement. If you know our downtrend movement, you see this four, right? Now we've actually gotten this push up. What do you think we are going now? Where do you think we are going after we've gotten this push up, right? We're actually waiting for a fall on this our um pound index. But let's see for this week, what do you think we'll be aiming? Let's try and aim, probably a take profit around this our area here. If we actually take, see a fall for this week, it's this our area here, that should be giving us about, I think 100 plus pips, 140 plus pips. But if you have to hit it, so this our down area here, that should be giving us about 140 plus to 150 pips. For this week, we can grab, which is actually not bad. So above all, we are actually aiming for a 4 on our pound index. So let's aim for a 4 this week. We are actually trying to see a 4 on our pound index for this week. That is on our 4-hour time frame. On our daily time frame, same thing, we're actually aiming for a 4 on our pound index. By the way, let's see if our price is going to hit this our bottom, which is our support for this week. So if you are actually getting a 4 on our pound, any pair relating to it will actually be going bullish. So any pair related to our pound should be going up, while our pound will be coming down. Now, as you can see on our euro pound, I still have it that I marked that we are actually going to be seeing a 4, right? So this is our area here. So this is my area here, which is our how do I call it, like, where it has given us a multiple, resistance level. You can see it serves as a resistance. I said that we will actually be seeing a 4 on this our support, giving us a support before actually see, bounce upward. So on Friday we actually got that bearish move. So on Monday too, we can actually see that bearish move, giving us, a breakout, a little bit of breakout, downward, before you actually now see that bullish move upward. That is exactly what I am aiming for on my euro USD. So our euro USD, we should actually be plan to take our trade upward, and let's see if we can take our profit around this my area here that I've just highlighted. If you can mark here, take our profits around this area here, which is actually not bad, by the way. So that will be giving us about 95 pips, 95 pips to about 100 pips we'll be able to grab for this week, if we can actually wait and take our buy position on our euro pound for this week. Now next one we'll be looking at is our pound odd. As you can see, on Friday we actually added that bearish move. Definitely we are still on a bearish move downward. We should continue bearish, and what that I mean is our odd too is about bearish. So there's a very likelihood of us seeing that huge movements on our pound odd. As you can see, our pound is actually going to be falling this week, and our odd too will actually be falling before we actually see that bullish move. So that is why I said we might not see that, get that good or massive move this week. But above all, we should actually take our sell positions to this our area here. We've marked where it has given us a liquidity area. If you have to take our sell position, that should be giving us about 94 pips, close to 100 pips. And one thing I know about this our pound is that we will actually see a retracement upward before you actually see that. Do not be surprised, especially when you see a retracement upward before you actually now get that our massive fall, because then I don't think you will actually just see that fall straight down. But above all, anyhow the price decide to place out, we are actually aiming to take profits, take our sell and take our profits around this our area, our liquidity area we just highlighted. Next one is our pound New Zealand. Same thing at I marked on Friday. We are still going to be getting that sell. We are actually aiming to take our sell position straight downward here. Let's see on our daily time frame. When we actually get that sell position to this our area here, and I want you to know that since our New Zealand is actually going to be going bullish. I think our New Zealand dollar will be going bullish this week. So, and since our pound is going to be falling, then definitely I will not be surprised to get a breakout. And I am aiming to actually see a breakout, on our sell position straight upward here. So that is exactly what I am aiming for. So probably when we see this our pound New Zealand, which actually gets the first straight downward, that should be giving us about 300 plus piece. We might not be able to get it all this week, but probably we should actually be going, taking our sell position on our pound New Zealand, and it will be falling down massively. That is what I know on our pound New Zealand. Next one is our pound card. As you can see, we've actually gotten this 4 on our pound, right? That's like I aim for, and probably might be seeing a push up, then we actually now see a fall. That is exactly what I think might happen, but I'm going to stay away from this trade, which is a pound card. I will not want to be trading this my pound card, as that price, I think it is a bit confusing. But what I know is that we will be seeing a bullish move this week before we actually might see a drop. So we've got to hit this our support area. We hit this our support area, then we should actually be seeing a something like like a retracement before we can actually now see a breakout of this our support area. So let's see if we can go up and actually fall, but I'll stay away from this pound card. And our next one is our pound Swiss franc. Let's try and go bullish. As we can see on Friday, we are going to go bullish into this our area here before actually can see that fall. And we can see on Friday we actually got that bullish. And I will not be surprised if we actually see a bullish move on Monday before we actually now see that massive fall. Above all, what are we aiming for? We are aiming for a fall on our pound card, a bullish move upward, then a fall on our pound against our Swiss franc. So that's our analysis for this week. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.